What's up guys, it's Ibo099. I'm gonna be starting off my channel with a new tutorial. I'll be showing you how to get the typewriter effect on After Effects for free. I'll drop the link for the download below, so you can do it as quickly as possible. So, we'll start off with downloading the script. You go to the link in my description below. If you want to give me a tip, that would be nice, but you don't have to give a tip. You can just continue, enter an email, and you can just get it from here. Then what you will do next is open the script file. This will be it. Then you will go to After Effects, file location, and go again on file location. Depends on your install place. Next you will be going to the scripts folder, ScriptUI panels, and you will paste it here. I have it here already, so that's all you need to do. If you had After Effects open, just restart it and start it again. What you'll be doing next is go to Edit, Preferences, Scripting and Expressions. Make sure Allow Scripts to Write Files and Access Network is enabled. You need a composition. And you just go to Window, Typewriter Script Panel, and you just type whatever you want. You can choose the writing time, how long does it take to write the sentence. You can choose the blinker speed, some pause time, and of course how long it will take for the deletion. You just click Create Typewriter, and there you have it. You can adjust it how you want. It works perfectly. You can change the font, choose whatever you want, no problem at all. You can change the alignment. There we go. That's all it is. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next one.